Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking some really delicious party food, I like to call it. They're fully loaded potato skins. They're so tasty. They've got a stack of cheddar cheese in there, some really lovely back bacon, and they're flavoured with garlic powder, seasoning, and oh so tasty when they come out of the oven and they're nice and crispy. Please don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of recipes in there and I'm sure there's one in there that you would like. So without further ado, let's crack on. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that we're going to need. So we're going to need some bacon. I've got some lovely back bacon, some gorgeous cheddar cheese, and of course our small potatoes, half a lemon and some cream. Now we need some green onion, some red onion. Also we're going to put in some garlic powder, just a little bit. Then we're going to need our old favourites, some seasoning, salt and pepper, a little bit of cooking oil that I've got here, getting a bit low on that as well. And we're going to need a little drop of melted butter. We'll start by making the sour cream. I've got a little ramekin here, pouring a drop of cream, and we want some lemon juice. The juice from half a lemon is enough, it's ample. You'll find that this thickens up the cream, and you can change it if you want. You can put a bit more cream in or a bit more lemon juice. It just depends on you really. It depends on how you like your sour cream dip. So there's the bacon, and there's a pan. We'll start by cutting this bacon into small pieces. We'll go lengthways first, cut this fairly thinly, 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more, and then we end up with this. Now in an oven dish I'm going to put the potatoes, cover the potatoes in a drop of oil and some sea salt. I like this sea salt, it makes the skins nice and crispy. Then we're going to stab a few holes in each potato. Let the steam out, let the heat in too. Give these a little mix together, then it's off to the oven for about 20 minutes, gas mark 7, or until they cook right through. Now, on the hob with a pan, drop the cooking oil, and in we go with the bacon pieces. We're going to cook these down a little bit, till they're nice and soft, or even getting a bit on the crispy side too. So when the bacon is nicely cooked, we can add our onions. We'll pop those in. Now you really do want to get these nice and soft. So we're going to give those a little stir. They can take in all of that oil. And probably keep these cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can turn our attention to the potatoes. They're nicely cooked now. I've given them a little bit of a test. They're soft all the way through, so we're going to cut these in half and scoop out that soft and fluffy centre. Put this all to one side into this bowl that I've got here. Crikey, that was quick, wasn't it? So now we've got that all done, out of the way, we're going to mash these potatoes down. You don't have to be too fussy. If there's a few lumps left, it doesn't really matter. Then we can add our melted butter. This will soften it all down and give it a wonderful taste. Oh, I do like butter. Probably a bit too much really. Never mind. Then we can add our garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. We don't want to overpower it, which you can do. Then of course our wonderful grated cheddar cheese. Pick a good quality one that's nice and strong. Then we can add our bacon and onion pieces. Put those in out of the pan, all still nice and hot. Give this all a really good mix together guys. Incorporate all those flavours because this is going to taste delicious, especially with a bit of seasoning. There goes our sea salt and there goes our black pepper. Give this all one final mix together and then we can put this bowl to one side. Then we can carry on with the potato skins. So I'm going to get a fresh bowl. Won't be a minute. There we go. Put our potato skins in there. Get them all open side up. Tuck these all in, because you mustn't forget I'm going to be putting these into the oven. When that's all done, it's time to put in a delicious filling. A little bit of a tedious job, I know. Get as much filling into each potato half as you possibly can. If it goes over the top a bit, it doesn't matter, don't worry about that. And don't forget, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting these potatoes back in the oven for a little while. Not to cook, it's already cooked, but just to brown off the top. And some of that cheese will melt down and it is going to look marvellous. These are going to be going into the oven, gas mark 7, for about 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, that's right. Not very long, they won't need very long. Just to get, as I said before, that little crispy top. And then they're going to look like this. We're going to add our dip, our sour cream dip over the top. And there you have it, guys. Our fully loaded potato skins. Just a little bit sprinkling of chopped up parsley over the top for decoration. And I'm going to nick one for a taste test. So, there we have one. And I bet you're all saying, wow, that's a bit tiny. Well, it's supposed to be tiny. It's party food. They're just little nibbly ones. Good way to get rid of these small potatoes as well. So, taste test time. So delicious. I love those flavours. I could eat a whole plate of these. In fact, do you know what? I think I will. Thanks for watching this latest video. See you next time in the next video. Bye for now.